Hello, good afternoon students. Today we have to see basic electrical engineering lab, one more experiment, that is star and delta connections. We have to study the voltage and current relations between line and phase for balanced star connected system and balanced delta connected system. So before going to that, what to mean by star connection? If we have to take three independent windings, three single phase windings, then winding have one starting point and one finishing point. If the similar ends of the windings have been joined to form a common point, then other points are taken for further connection. Such a connection of windings is referred as star connected winding. Similarly, in delta connection, what happens? The dissimilar ends of the windings are joined in progressive manner. Such a three-phase winding is referred as delta connected winding or delta connected load. So now we have to study star and delta connections both. So you see there the circuit diagram as shown in figure represents circuit diagram for star connection experiment. So we have to take the three-phase supply connections from available there. So three-phase connection is given to three-phase thermostat. Output of three-phase thermostat R, Y, B lines are there. From R line go to the ammeter one point, then ammeter another point goes to the one more ammeter, then from that ammeter goes to star connected load. So actually we are having U1, V1, W1, U2, V2, W2 are similar ends, U1, V1, W1 are also similar ends. Now I have to take U2, V2, W2 for common point creation or neutral point correction. So one end of ammeter goes to U1 point. So neutral point is common. So across the U1 and neutral, one voltmeter is connected. Across the one phase, it is called phase voltage. Then across the R and Y line, you connect a voltmeter. One end goes to the R line, another end goes to the Y line. Then directly Y line is given to Y1. There is no ammeter connection. Then B line is directly given to W1. So once again you have to see there U2, V2, W2 are similar ends of the windings is joined to form a neutral point. You keep in the mind. In similar fashion, for delta connection, again we have to take output from three-phase thermostat, R line, Y line, B line. So first you connect the load in delta fashion. So starting point U1, U2, there is a load. From where you are making U2, there you connect V1. Then V2 ends. Where V2 ends, you connect next W1 and W2 is connected to U1. Three points were obtained. Total 6 points are there. So you have to make a common, just like fashion. The dissimilar ends of the windings are joined to form three common terminals. These three common terminals are utilized for further connection. Such a load connection is referred as three-phase delta connected load. Then one of the ammeter you connect in any one phase, U1 to E2, that reads current, it is referred as phase current. So one of the ammeter is connected in R line, it reads current, that is referred as line current. Very simple, starts from thermostat output of wire, R goes to the one point of ammeter, second point of ammeter goes to the U1 U1 W2 common point. Getting the idea? Then Y line, there is no connection of ammeter. Y line directly give to W1 P2, and B line you provide a connection B line to U2 P1 as shown in figure. First you make the load in delta connection through the ammeter. After that you make the terminals for further external connection. Y is connected directly to the W1 P2, B is connected directly to U2 V1 through R. In R line we are connecting ammeter. One ammeter is line current. So voltmeter has two terminals. It is connected between R line and Y line. So it reads voltage, that is called line voltage. One voltmeter is connected across W1 V2 and W2 V1. It reads phase voltage. So after drawing the circuit diagram, you go for list of equipment required or apparatus required. Very first we want three-phase thermostat, that is of 440 volts, 8 ampere. One thermostat is sufficient, quantity is 1. Then we want ammeter, that is moving iron top analog ammeter 0 to 5 ampere, 2. Voltmeter 0 to 600 volts, moving iron top, 2 voltmeters are required. Then three-phase star connected load, that is the capacity of 5 ampere, 1 required. Patch cards you write, there is no range. So if you want 10 ampere range, 1 set. So after the equipment required list, then go for tabular column. What are the readings are required, sir? Line voltage, phase voltage, line current, phase current. It is required for both star and delta. So you can write the same thing, line voltage, phase voltage, line current and phase current for both star and delta connections. After that you go for a set of specimen calculation. You have to write for star connection, write the actual line voltage, that is 400 volts. Then phase voltage actual or practical 230 volts, line current 5 ampere, phase current 5 ampere. So you verify the relation. In star connection we have to verify line voltage equal to root 3 times of phase voltage. You write this is 400 equal to root 3 times of 230 and IL equal to IP 0.5 ampere equal to 0.5 ampere. In this manner you have to write one set of specimen calculation for serial number 1 or serial number 2. In similar fashion for delta connected load, line voltage 400, phase voltage 400, line current 3.21 ampere, phase current 1.88 ampere. So what you are observing in delta connection, line voltage equal to phase voltage. Therefore 400 volts equal to 400 volts. You have to write to get the good marks. So line current equal to root 3 times of phase current. You write actual values. Then you have to write brief procedure. Sir, brief procedure about the conduction of experiment. So as usual the electrical connections are made as shown in circuit diagram. The main supply switch is closed or switched on with keeping the thermostat at 0 output position and three-phase loads are in off condition. Then by varying the thermostat we have to apply suitable voltage in the circuit. For example 300 volts, 400 volts, whatever voltage you required, you apply the suitable voltage by varying the thermostat. Note down all the readings. Because loads are kept off, such a reading is referred as no load reading. Then apply the load step by step. At each step of load we have to note down all meter readings. These readings are tabulated in tabular column. This process is continued up to the rated current of load. 2-3 set of readings you can take. Then before making end you have to write how the supply is off, then loads are removed step by step. Further, thermostat is brought back to zero output position. Lastly, the main supply is switched off. That is the end of experiment. How you are utilizing the electricity, then how you are going to bring back to the its initial position, then you make switch off. Getting the idea? These steps are very much important. Practice the procedure and calculations. Thank you to one and all.